Ryan, are you eating a donut again?
Yes, Mia, it is a chocolate donut. It is very delicious.
Ryan, you eat too many donuts. We need to stay in shape.
Stay in shape? No, thank you. I am happy with my shape.
You are so lazy, Ryan. We must work out.
Work out? What does that mean?
Work out. It is our main word today. It means to exercise.
Oh, exercise, like running?
Yes, you run, swim, or lift weights to work out.
That sounds like very hard work. I do not like it.
Yes, it is hard, but you must stay in shape.
Stay in shape? Can you explain that word?
Yes, stay in shape means to keep your body healthy.
Healthy. Okay, I understand. But it is still hard.
Does your doctor know you eat so many donuts, Ryan?
My doctor, yes. He says I must cut down on sweet food.
But you still eat them.
Well, he does not see me eat them.
Ryan, you cannot hide from your health.
Yes, I know. But donuts make me happy.
Happiness is healthy, but too much sugar is bad for your heart.
Okay, maybe I will eat a carrot tomorrow.
A carrot? That is a good choice.
Yes, but a carrot is not chocolate.
Yes, carrots are healthier than chocolate donuts. We will teach 6 useful words today.
6 words about exercise?
Yes, we will learn work out and stay in shape.
Yes, we already know those 2.
Right. We will also learn warm up.
Warm up.
Yes, and we will learn take a break.
Take a break. That is my favorite word.
I know, Ryan, you love to rest.
Resting is very important for me.
Yes, but you must work out first.
Okay, what are the other words?
We will learn cut down on and give up.
Give up? I want to give up now.
No way, Ryan. You cannot give up today.
Okay, I will try. What is our surprise fact?
Oh, I have a great surprise fact today.
Is it about donuts?
No, it is about a popular gym machine.
A gym machine? Which one?
The treadmill. Do you know it?
Yes, the running machine. I see it at the gym.
Yes, it was not made for exercise.
Really? What was it for?
It was a punishment.
Punishment? Like for bad children?
No, it was for prisoners in prison.
Wow, that is scary. Why did they do that?
I will tell you the story soon. Let's start.
Yes, let's learn more.
Yesterday, I went to the gym.
Wow, Mia, you went to the gym?
Yes, I did. I wanted to stay in shape.
How was your workout?
It was terrible. I tried to work out for 1 hour.
1 hour? That is a very long time.
Yes, and now my whole body hurts.
Why does your body hurt?
Because I forgot to warm up.
Warm up? What is that?
Warm up, it means to prepare your body first.
Prepare your body? How?
You do easy exercises first, like walking slowly.
Ah, yes. You make your muscles warm.
Yes, exactly. If you do not warm up, you get hurt.
That is true. My muscles are always cold.
Because you never work out, Ryan.
True. I prefer to stay on the sofa.
Sitting on the sofa will not help you stay in shape.
But it is safe. I do not get hurt on the sofa.
Yes, but you must move your body.
So, what did you do after the gym?
I went home. I was very tired. I wanted to sit, but my legs were like stone. I could not sit.
So you stood all day?
Almost. I had to lie on the floor. It was the only way to rest.
That is funny. Working out makes you lie on the floor?
Yes, because my muscles were very surprised. I did not warm up.
Okay. Tell me about the treadmill.
Right, the treadmill. Many people use it to work out.
Yes, they run on it to stay in shape.
But a man named William Cubitt made it.
William Cubitt? Who was he?
He was an engineer in England. The year was 1818.
1818. That is a very long time ago.
Yes, it is. And he made it for a prison.
A prison? For prisoners?
Yes, prisoners had to walk on a big wheel.
A big wheel? Like a pet mouse wheel?
Yes, exactly. It was a giant wooden wheel.
How did they walk on it?
The wheel had steps on it. The prisoners climbed them.
So they just climbed and climbed?
Yes, if they stopped climbing, they would fall.
Oh no, that sounds very dangerous.
Yes, it was a hard punishment.
Why did the prison want them to do that?
The machine used their power. The wheel turned a stone.
A stone? What did the stone do?
The stone made corn into food.
Ah, so the prisoners made food.
Yes, but they walked for many hours.
How many hours?
Sometimes they walked for 6 hours every day.
6 hours? That is too much.
Yes, it is like climbing a high mountain every day.
My legs hurt just thinking about it.
Many prisoners got very sick. Some even died.
That is terrible. Did they stop using it?
Yes, in 1898, England stopped using the treadmill in prisons.
Good. It was very mean.
Yes, but then, in 1952, a doctor changed it.
A doctor? What did he do?
He made the modern treadmill to test the heart.
Oh, so he used it for medicine.
Yes. Then, in the 1960s, people bought it for home.
And now we pay money to use it at the gym.
Yes, exactly. We pay to do prison work.
That is crazy. I will never use a treadmill again.
Do not use that as a reason, Ryan.
It is a great reason. I do not want prison work.
You still need to work out to stay in shape.
Fine, but I will walk in the park instead.
Okay, let's talk about our other words.
Yes, we know workout, warm up, and stay in shape.
Right. Now let's look at cut down on.
Cut down on. What does that mean?
Cut down on. It means to eat or drink less of something.
Oh, less of something. Can you give an example?
Yes, you should cut down on donuts, Ryan.
I knew you would say that.
You eat 3 donuts every day. That is too much sugar.
Okay, if I cut down on donuts, how many can I eat?
Maybe eat only 1 donut every week.
Only one a week? That is very hard.
But it will help you stay in shape.
Okay, I will try to cut down on sweet things.
Good. The next word is take a break.
Take a break. I like this word very much.
Yes, it means to stop working and rest for a short time.
Yes, when I work out, I take a break.
How long is your break?
I work out for 1 minute, then I rest for 1 hour.
Haha, Ryan, that is not a workout.
But resting is good for my body.
You need to work out more than you rest.
If I do not take a break, I will give up.
Ah, give up. That is our next word.
Give up, to stop trying.
Yes, give up means to stop doing something.
Yes, you say, I cannot do this, and you quit.
Exactly. Many people give up when they work out.
Why do they give up?
Because it is too hard. They do not warm up.
And they do not take a break.
Yes, their muscles hurt, so they give up.
That is sad. We should not give up.
Yes, do not give up on your goals.
I will not give up on my donut goal.
No, Ryan, you must cut down on donuts.
Okay, I was just joking.
Now, I have a question for you.
A question? I like questions.
You must guess a number.
Okay, what is the guess about?
How many people give up their gym plans?
Gym plans? You mean they stop going to the gym?
Yes, they start a new exercise plan, then they stop.
I think it is 50%.
No, it is higher.
Really? 70%?
It is 80%.
80%? That is almost everyone.
Yes, 80% of people give up by February.
Wow, that is a very high number.
Yes, they set big goals, they try to work out too much.
Ah, they do not start slow.
Exactly. They get tired and hurt, so they give up.
We must tell our listeners to start slow.
Yes, start slow so you don't give up.
Now, I have a question. Team Ryan or Team Mia?
Oh, what is the choice?
Do you like working out at the gym or outside?
I prefer the gym. I like the machines.
And you like the prison history.
Yes, maybe. I also like the music at the gym.
I am team outside. I like the park.
Why do you like the park?
The park has trees and fresh air. It is quiet.
Yes, the park is very nice. What about you, listeners? Gym or outside?
Tell us, are you team Ryan or team Mia?
Now, Ryan, it is time for our challenge.
Oh, the challenge. I am ready.
I will give you 6 short stories.
6 short stories. Okay.
You must use our 6 words to answer.
I will not give up. Let's do it.
Good. Story 1.
Story 1.
Your friend wants to lose weight. They want to be healthy.
Okay. My friend must work out.
Yes. How?
They can walk, run, or swim. They need to move.
Why?
They must work out.
They must work out to stay in shape. Should they work out every day?
No, they should start slow. Maybe 2 times a week. If they do too much, they will give up.
Very good. That is smart advice. Story 2.
Story 2.
Your friend is at the gym. Their muscles are very cold.
Okay, they should not lift heavy weights yet.
What should they do first?
They must warm up.
Yes. How do they warm up?
They can walk slowly. They can move their arms and legs.
Why is it important to warm up?
If you do not warm up, you will hurt your body.
Correct. Warm up is very important.
Yes, I always warm up my hands before eating.
Ryan, that is not a warm up.
Why not? My hands get warm when I move them.
Yes, but that does not help your body exercise. Story 3. Your friend has been running for 1 hour.
1 hour? That is a lot.
Yes, their face is red. They are very hot.
They must take a break.
Yes. What should they do during the break?
They should sit. They should drink some cool water.
Yes, they need to rest.
Yes, a short break will help them.
How long should the break be?
Maybe 5 or 10 minutes, not 1 hour.
Yes, 10 minutes is perfect. Story 4.
Story 4.
Your friend drinks 6 sodas every day.
6 sodas? That has so much sugar.
Yes, they want to be healthy. What should they do?
They must cut down on soda.
Yes, cut down on soda.
Yes, they should drink water instead of soda.
Why should they cut down on soda?
Too much sugar is bad. They must cut down on it.
Yes, that helps them stay in shape.
Exactly. Cut down on soda to stay in shape.
Can they drink any soda?
Maybe 1 soda a week. That is fine. Just cut down on it.
Great. Story 5.
Story 5.
Your friend is learning English. It is very difficult.
Oh, yes. English can be hard.
Yes, they want to stop. They want to quit.
I will tell them, do not give up.
Do not give up?
Yes, do not give up. English takes time.
Yes, you must practice every day.
Yes, if you practice, you will do well. Do not give up.
What if they make mistakes?
Mistakes are fine. We all make mistakes. Do not give up because of mistakes.
That is very good advice, Ryan.
Thank you. I am a good friend.
Yes, you are. Now, story 6.
Story 6, the last one.
You are on the treadmill. You are very tired.
Oh, the prison machine.
Yes, you want to stop, but you want to finish.
What do I do?
Yes, what do you do?
I will not give up. I will walk slowly.
Yes,
I will take a break for 1 minute.
okay.
Then I will work out again to stay in shape.
Great, Ryan. You answered all the stories perfectly.
Yes, I am the king of English.
Yes, you did a great job today.
Thank you. I feel like I worked out today.
You only used your mouth, Ryan.
That is still a workout for me.
All right, everyone, that is all for today.
Yes, it is time to go.
Let's review our 6 words one more time.
Okay, the first word is work out.
Yes, work out. Ryan, can you give a sentence?
I work out at the gym every Tuesday.
Great. The second word is stay in shape.
Stay in shape. Mia, can you give a sentence?
I eat healthy food to stay in shape.
Nice. The third word is warm up.
Warm up. Ryan, what is a good sentence?
You should warm up before you play soccer.
Perfect. The fourth word is take a break.
Take a break. Mia, can you give a sentence?
Yes, I am very tired. Let's take a break.
Excellent. The fifth word is cut down on.
Cut down on. Ryan, what is your sentence?
I must cut down on sweet donuts.
Haha, yes. And the sixth word is give up.
Give up. Mia, can you give a sentence?
Do not give up on your goals.
That is very nice. And do not forget the treadmill history.
Yes, the treadmill was a punishment for prisoners.
So be happy when you work out on it.
Haha, yes. Do not be angry.
Now we have a task for our listeners.
Yes, a small task for tomorrow.
Do not give up on your health.
Tomorrow, walk for 10 minutes.
Yes, and cut down on one sweet drink today.
That is a great start.
Yes, start slow and stay in shape.
Thank you for listening today.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.